Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to change your name and username on your Threads profile. So when you go to your Threads and you click on edit profile, and when you want to click on name, for example, as you can see, they say your name is linked to your Instagram account and cannot be changed here. So all you have to do is actually just go to your Instagram. Then you're going to click edit profile, and here on name and username, you can actually change your name here. So as you can see, you can only change your name twice within 14 days. So be aware of that. But basically, you just change your name here, click on done, go on username here, click change it, and as you can see, in most cases you will be able to change your username to your old one for another 14 days if you don't like the new one. But basically you change it, you click on done, and basically it will change on your Threads profile too. So yeah guys, that's basically it. That's how you change your Threads profile name and username. And if this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to this channel. Bye.